ni has just given birth. When her baby, Dylan, is 5 days old, a midwife will offer the Bloodspot test, also known as the heel prick test. It involves taking a few drops of blood from Dylan's heel. It screens for 9 rare but serious conditions. If you do not want your baby screened for any or all of these conditions, please let your midwife know. These conditions can cause problems with the baby's blood, lungs, or breaking down food. Some babies will need more tests. These will be arranged quickly if needed. Screening is your choice. Newborn blood spot screening for all of the conditions is recommended by the NHS. For more information or support, speak to a midwife or doctor, or go to phw.nhs.wales/newborn-bloodspot-screening.